How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. Today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the front and rear seats in a 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustang. So the car we're going to be working on today is this 2007 GT, but the steps that will be shown will work for all 2005 to 2014 Mustang Coupes. For a complete list of tools and torque specs, please reference the video description. Go ahead and begin by sliding the driver's seat all the way to the back. Loosen and remove the two frontward bolts. Slide the seat forward. Push the bolt cover towards the rear to dislodge the clip. Do the same for the other cover. Loosen and remove the bolts. Return the seat to the center position on the track. Do the same for the other seat. Remove the negative battery cable if the seats are equipped with airbags. Lift up on the seat and disconnect the electrical connections. Carefully remove both seats from the car. To remove the rear seat bottom, lift up the upholstery and locate the release tab. Use your finger or a pry tool to dislodge the clip and then lift the seat up. Do the same for the other clip and then remove the rear seat bottom from the car. Locate the outboard retaining bolt on the rear seat back. Loosen and remove the bolt. Pull the seat release and then slide the seat off of the pivot bracket to remove it. Do the same for the other rear seat back. To reinstall the seats, simply reverse the removal steps. After that, you're good to go. Like any of our how-to videos, we hope this one has provided you with the value that you needed. That's all we have for today, so until we see you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S197 Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.